5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We'll heal us on the way in.
Beware.
Destruction!
Philip.
Option solar.
Beware.
Back. Back.
Timmy, what you got in that bag?
Engineer.
Beware.
We done it.
Back.
Beware.
Damn, damn.
Clean up fast.
Beware.
Destruction!
Dropping eruption is going.
Beware.
Watch out for big bomb.
Burn the foreman.
Oh god, bag of bombs on the boss.
I just gotta
Sorry, I did not see him.
Don't touch that slab. It's at 46.
Beware.
Range over here.
Back up.
Beware.
Five,
Spoopy,
4,
come in.
3, 2,
Use that to
One.
interrupt them.
Yeah, I got him.
Oh my god.
Beware.
Burn prime.
Get on the elemental list.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Barely.
Get over here and let's kill these out.
Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Kill the fire caller first.
Oh yeah, I'll do anything you say, big guy.
Hey, get over here.
Beware. Beware.
Gambit, get in here. Never mind, they selected a different one. You can go back and rank.
Remember potions on this one.
Beware.
Burn that elemental list hard.
Beware.
Hurry, she's 7 seconds at 24%. That's unacceptable.
We got it.
Beware.
Clean up fire color.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Beware.
Alright, ranged. Find triangle.
Beware.
On me for now.
Kill the guy.
Draz.
Grass, come in.
Beware.
Okay. Exploding.
Burn her heart. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Amp, gambit.
Must use globals for DPS.
That's cool.
Clean up fire, dude.
Get away from Slay.
Rally's that? Oh, never mind.
Potions. Mana pots. Or hot pots, whatever.
Prometheus, come in. Murder him.
I got fire, move.
Range triangle.
Five, four, three,
It's
two,
blown
Lust
up.
and burn her,
One.
burn her.
Lust.
Lust.
Range, start getting to position, get into this back area so that way phase 3 starts, we're already over here.
Shield.
Fuck.
Keep burning.
You got another Slay about to blow.
We got it, we got it.
Oh, nice.
Watch your range.
If you get melt, run into the back.
Do not AoE those ads anymore.
Sorry.
Get up there, Panda. Go stack with Karen.
I need you to taunt it.
It's a good melt. External on Karen.
Oh. Panda, bring it back.
Devo.
Move up. We're running out of space.
Screw triangle's range. Be with him.
Alright, boss time.
Devo.
Hold there.
Taunt. Get a PM. Or soul taunt.
That was a horrible melt.
Walk around it.
Panda, move back. Go.
Advance. Go, go, go.
Don't let Panda die. Karen Stinky. Lust for the dead. VE. Go ahead when your
Advance.
once yours done.
Advance. I'm gonna melt.
Just careful, melee. Don't accidentally step in the slag pool. Rallies out.
Move, move, move.
Panda's got bid.
Advance.
No, that
Go,
was
go,
him.
go.
That
Go,
was
go,
bad,
go.
man.
Smoke bomb damage.
Plenty of room. Don't be shy.
Watch out, melee. A slag's about to go.
Malton Valtra, get back. Advance, advance.
Move, move, move.
Take it up.
Hand
External zone carry.
Got Melty gonna move up.
Burn this shit.
Do you have a train?
Use potion.
Advance.
Use your personals. Anything you got.
And is dead. Heal me, heal me. Oh, it fell
Your
off.
stacks
Thank
just
you.
fell off.
This is a fucking kill.
This is a fucking goddamn kill. Good job, guys.
Oh fuck. Woohoo! Alright, good job, guys.
Hooray, team!
Ah, gold. No! Why does this boss hate me?
Let's get our tier leggings.
Ooh, blast furnace door. Look at that.